used to get 90 earlier, and then all of a sudden your score dropped to 68, and now you have got 84. What do you think is important for speaking, and why were you not getting the scores in describe image?
We both know that I was struggling in describe image and also in retail lecture. I think the way was not right. I was using templates. So templates do work, but
Yeah,
the thing is that I was lacking somewhere to use those templates.
yeah.
But the way that you helped me, you just analyzed my mock test, like you gave me detailed feedback. You tell me like what pace I have to use.
Yeah.
Like you just really helped me to just to sort them out. I highly recommend everyone, like those who are struggling in reading, just please get these classes, reach out to LA and just sort this out.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. What a great day. I have got Smriti with me. Smriti is one of our online students from Melbourne, 8 each in PT, 84 in speaking, 82 reading, 80 in writing, and 81 in listening. Congratulations, Smriti. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure to be here.
Smriti, I have seen you through your journey. There were ups and downs. It's been some time you are with us, and finally you have made it. Let's start and talk about speaking first of all. You used to get 90 earlier, and then all of a sudden your score dropped to 68, and now you have got 84. What do you think is important for speaking, and why were you not getting the scores in describe image?
Oh, sir, yes. We both know that I was struggling in describe image and also in retail lecture. Though I was doing very good in read aloud and repeat sentences, and I was getting 90, but don't know. I think in between, I think the way was not right. I was using templates. So templates do work, but
Yeah,
the thing is that I was lacking somewhere to use those templates.
yeah.
But the way that you helped me, you just analyzed my mock test, like you gave me detailed feedback. You tell me like what pace I have to use.
Yeah.
Like you just really helped me to just to sort them out. So it was very important that you do know the timing of that, the pace that you need to use,
Yeah.
and especially the keywords that you have to put in there.
Correct. That's 100% correct. It's not just about the template, it's more about using the template properly. If you have the
Exactly.
template, but you're not using it properly, or you don't know how to use the keywords or put the keywords in the template, things are going to be difficult. That is what I remember Smriti was lacking. She was using the template, but she used to tell me, if I'm using the template, why I'm not getting the scores. Very
Every
important.
time.
Yes, very important that you understand how you have to implement it, how long you have to speak, and what are the right set of keywords which you have to use in the template to make it work for you. Smriti, reading was sometimes a nightmare for us. I remember you being in Melbourne, right? You were not able to attend the physical classes, but you still attended most of the reading special sessions. How helpful were the reading classes, and what do you think students out there who are missing out in reading should work on?
Sir, my best advice will be that it's so good. It was so helpful that I attended special reading session. So our tutor was Tamanna Madhuk. She's one of the best teacher that I've ever met. So earlier I was thinking like, no, I don't need to attend the reading classes. Like, I don't have time for practice if I'll attend 2 hours of session and all. But the time when I started attending reading classes, after 1 week of time, I got that confidence that I will attend any question, whether it will be easy or difficult. So the concept that she clad in the live session, and even after the session was very, very good. So I highly recommend everyone, like those who are struggling in reading, just please get these classes, reach out to LA and just sort this out. So they were really helpful to clear your even the context, like how you need to understand the context as well as the voices, grammar, and all of the concepts.
That's right. That's right. See, very, very important. Reading can be bit difficult at times, but it's very, very important we understand what reading is about. It's not just about memorizing the grammar rules. It's more about implementing the rules, understanding the context. And as Smriti has mentioned, even she is not in Sydney. She used to attend online reading sessions, which are very important. When you attend the reading sessions initially, right, you find those boring, you feel sleepy, but you have to push yourself. You have to make sure you at least attend 1 to 2 weeks, and there only you will gain that confidence. that whatever questions come in the test, you're going to crack it. Smriti, one last thing, being an online student sounds a bit difficult sometimes, right? That how I'll get the feedback and everything. You have taken a number of mock tests, and I remember that you have got a lot of feedback as well. How important being an online student is it to take mock test and get the feedback?
So I think this is one of the most important question, and thanks for asking. So when it comes to mock tests are very important. So there are 3 points that I want to cover for mock test. First, you will learn about the time management that you have to do for those 2 hours. So it is very crucial that you understand how you have to manage your time in reading, how you have to manage your time at the end for listening, right from dictation. And the other 2 points will be, you will know your mistake ahead of time. You will prepare, you can overcome those mistakes. And the third will be that you will get feedback, like detailed feedback from your tutors. So apart from you, I was in touch with the 2 of the other tutors, as I said earlier. So Shiva ma'am, she's one of the best, like, who was with me from day one, and there is no doubt in saying that. So she just gave me, she did regular check-ins with me. She just gave me motivation every time that if I was lacking somewhere. So mock test and the communication and the discussion part with your tutor is so important. And yes, I got that confidence, I got that discussion here. So and I'm very pleased to see my results. So that was it all about the mock test.
That's right, Smriti. Very important. See, as Smriti has mentioned, it's very important you take as many mock tests as possible, because then and there only you get to know how you have to manage time and how you have to perform under time pressure. Because whenever you are taking the mock test, you are under pressure, you are nervous, you have to manage a lot of things, and the same thing happens in the test. It's better you make mistakes in the mock test here, get the feedback, rectify those mistakes, and then go for the test and crack your test like Smriti did. Smriti, any final piece of advice for students who are struggling a bit? When you struggle 1, 2, or 3 times, you start doubting yourself, right? There's self-doubt that will I ever be able to clear it? Any tips or advice for them, please?
Yeah, sure, sir. I think from my whole experience throughout my whole journey, I felt that, see, no one is like, I thought like initially it's just an English test, but that was not the case, as I mentioned earlier. So I think sometimes, like, whether you are practicing for 1 hour or even if you are practicing for 4 to 5 hours, but if you don't know while you are practicing whether you are doing it with right techniques, strategies, and you are not getting feedback, so I don't think so it's gonna happen. So it's so good that you reach out, you ask someone for help, so that they can help you sort this out. And even in, I think, short span of time, like, you will be able to crack it. So it's so good to get the right technique, strategies, and feedback.
That's right. That's very well said. It's not just about your English skills. It's more about understanding the test, what the test is about, how the marking works, taking the mock test, getting the feedback, and improving on your mistakes within the mock test itself, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes when you go for the test and you crack your test in the very first go. Congratulations and all the very best, Smriti.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for having me here.
Guys, remember this thing: if Smriti has done it, she's from Melbourne, she has taken online classes, you can do it as well. It's very important you work hard in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. That's it from this video. If she has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and focus on the right areas. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.